Are you ready to embark on a thrilling adventure in a galaxy far, far away? Let's dive into Lego Star Wars Rebuild the Galaxy, an animated series that's perfect for celebrating Lego Star Wars 25th anniversary. Uh, this series is packed with excitement and weaves a captivating multiverse narrative. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Now, let's get started. In LEGO Star Wars Rebuild the Galaxy, we follow Sig, a character with Force abilities, who is